What is technology integration? Technology integration is utilizing technology to enhance or support an education or training environment. Technology integration is also making use of resources such as computers, tablets, cameras, social media platforms, and various other software applications. Technology is meant to enhance curriculum or training goals. This means that technology integration is not replacing educators with computers or other tech resources. Also, technology integration is not solely relying on technology to deliver content to your students or those in your training environment. When discussing technology integration, there are a few other key terms that come to mind. One is educational technology. Educational technology is utilizing technology to reshape teaching and learning. This includes equity of access and ensuring that your students or those in your training environment have access to the technology they need to learn anytime and anywhere. Educational technology also aims to facilitate student involvement and achievement in learning. Second is instructional technology. Instructional technology is the design, development, and evaluation of processes and resources for learning. Instructional technology includes hardware and software development. Instructional technology aims to improve education and training systems throughout various institutions. Lastly is information and communication technology, also known as ICT. ICT is technology tools used to access, retrieve, store, transmit, or exchange information. Examples of ICTs include computers, internet, cell phones, radios, and email. When integrating technology into your classroom or training environment, you want to ensure that it is as effective as possible. One of the ways to do this is make tech integration routine in your environment. That way, students or those in your training environment utilize technology and it's part of a daily routine. Second is to ensure that the technology you are utilizing is accessible and ready to go for your students or those in your training environment. You want to ensure that the technology you are using supports the educational or training goals at hand. Above all else, your top goal is to ensure that tech integration is as seamless as possible. There are 4 key components of effective tech integration. These include active engagement, ensuring that your students or those in your training environment are engaged with the technology and the assignments they are doing. Heavy group participation, repeated interaction and feedback from peers and instructors, and connection to real-world experts. Technology integration has many benefits in the classroom and in training environments. One of these is that students can assume responsibility for their education. Integrating technology successfully into a classroom or training environment also ups students or employees' information and technology literacy. Technology integration promotes high student involvement because students use technology already in their daily lives. Lastly, technology integration inspires students or those in a training environment to create, be creative, and collaborate with peers and even students from across the world. Thank you for listening to my presentation on technology integration.